Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your phone supports NFC and that it is turned on. This is essential because no tag will respond otherwise. Open your chosen NFC Writer app and choose the action type you want to store, URL, contact, or smart home command, then tap Add. Hold the Nfc Keychain tag near the phone's NFC area. Once the app shows detection, follow prompts to write. Once done, you'll see confirmation. Make sure to label the tag so you remember its purpose. Now you configure what the tag will do and why. Pick URL to open a page, Wi-Fi to share network credentials, or contact to push a vCard. Enter precise parameters, double-check SSID and password, or test the URL, because mistakes mean rewriting. If the app supports multiple records, stack them in order to run sequential actions. You can also set a password or make the tag read only to prevent accidental overwrites. Doing so protects the tag's function and your data. Finish by testing the tag repeatedly. Tap it with your phone and a second device to confirm consistent activation. If the tag doesn't trigger, make sure the receiving device's NFC is enabled and the app has required permissions. Compatibility issues often cause failures. If writing fails, wipe the tag and retry, remove phone case, or switch to a different NFC app. These steps resolve most problems. Finally, place the keychain where readers will comfortably tap it to
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.